Bless you. Bless you.
Why do we say, bless you, when someone is sneezing? It's practically understandable. In 1346 to 1353, during the bubonic plague in Rome, Pope Gregory I told the people to say a simple prayer. God bless you, after the person sneeze. Why is that? Since sneezing was one of the symptoms of the plague, people constantly say, bless you, when they hear someone sneeze. The extreme part of it, the superstitious people believed that saying, bless you, will ward off the evil spirit from possessing the body of the sneezers. Sadly, still some cultures tend to believe that sneezing is a sign of bad luck. But thankfully, doctors confirmed that sneezing is only a sign of allergies.